Your nose all better? Yeah, you healed up real well. No more nose rubbing there, buddy. We're gonna have issues if you do that again. You've never done that before. I will not accept that. I will not accept that kind of behavior out of you. You want to come out? Come on out. I've been splitting up newspapers and sorting newspapers all day out in the snake room. Chewy was begging to come out, so I took him out before he gets a chance to rub his nose sore again. What a guy. I really wanted to go to Tinley. In a way, I'm kind of glad I didn't. I would have had to do a lot of walking, and I'd have ended up in a wheelchair before the weekend was over with from all the walking and standing around. But, yeah. I got a lot accomplished here that needed to be done before winter, so it weighed itself out, and it came out to my advantage that I didn't go because it's time I needed here to get things done to set the snakes all up for winter. They got a heater out in their snake room now, so they're all set. And they got their big basking lights up. So, you know, in spite of the fact that I wanted to go as bad as I did, I kind of think it turned out for the best that I stayed here and got the work done that needed to be done. The snakes have to come first. You have a responsibility to them. Are you going to come out or are you going to sit in here all day with me? Okay, let me turn you around and watch TV with me. I guess that's what you want to do, so we'll just hang out together and watch television this evening. But I love my life. I love all my animals. Hi, Polly. Hi, Lily. Chewy's sleeping. Everybody in here is sleeping and resting up. All the kids. I gotta clean up Tawny's cage today. She had a ball with her Aspen. But I got snakes everywhere. And I'm out here today dividing papers. The shed's gone. How about that? Sorry, I'm not good with one hand. But I can see the road from my house now instead of a big building. But as you can see, I'm out here jamming out some music. My snakes are all loving the music. They love the vibration from the bass. I'm out here splitting up newspapers and getting rid of ads out of them to stack up under my cages for my snakes. Normally I don't put them under there, but I got so darn many I'm ending up stacking them under the enclosures. Great way to spend the day out here with the kids. These two have been dancing to the music. Ginger and Pepper. Grumpy's just about ready to shed. His face is all puffy. Faye's been prowling around playing in the water, so I had to take his water dish away from him. Couldn't ask for better company. They've been sitting here over by the glass watching me dividing up the papers. Love my weekends. I love every day of my life. I couldn't ask for better companions than my snakes. There are exceptions. There are some great people in the world. I love using these rubber door stops to hold my glass doors closed. It's better than the pegs that went on top in the holes. But look at you. You're getting so big, Star. So I'm waiting for lunch, Mom. You just caught a whiff of it, didn't you? There's your food thawing. You're getting so big, Star. Yes, you are. Your little bitty black dot on your back is getting really big. Want to hang out with me for a little while your food warms up? There you go. Want to hang out for a little bit? Say, nope, I smell dinner. I'm going to go get my own lunch over there. What are you doing, Star? You're so pretty. I'm waiting for her to dive off my lap and go after her food over here. It's thawing out. Yeah, I'm feeding Belle and Star tonight. They still cohabitate with each other. They love each other's company. If I take one out, the other one has a fit. So I've tried numerous times to separate them, and it's not going to happen. They're just not going to let me break up their relationship. So they're probably going to spend the rest of their lives together until I breed them. Because once I separate them, they have a fit. But this is my girl Star. She's pretty pied. You smell food, don't you? I'm going to feed you. It's warming up. Yep. See? It's thawed out. I'm just warming it up some more for you. She's going to go help herself. You can't go get your dinner. No, you just be patient. You calm down a little bit. No, you're not going to go get your food. No. No. I'll feed you when it's warm enough. So I'm going to go help myself. You're too slow, lady. Huh? Look at you. Aren't you pretty, Miss Belle? She's gorgeous. My clown female. Pretty girl you are. You wouldn't eat tonight. What's up with that? See? She had a little shed stuck on her last time I put her in a video. It's hard to believe the people that complain when they see a snake with stuck shed on it. You know, if you don't expect to happen, don't keep snakes, because some snakes are really lazy. So I smell food over there. You going after that too. You can't go over there. That light's hot. I'll feed you in a minute. You just relax some. There. Yeah, my son took the week off from work, and we've been up here working all week. We got that white storage building pulled out of here. It's out back, torn down. And we got all the new in-ground electrical done, hooked up. So it's been a busy week. We've been working our butts off up here. That sure looks a lot better. Now you can see my house without that white shed that was in front of it. We got a lot of garbage to clean out here and plow that down and level it out. Plant grass and everything on it, but it's been a long, busy week for both of us. My son's really gone crazy up here working, but we have all of our new electrical off the house, off the roof, and everything is in ground and covered with PVC pipe, so it'll never corrode or anything. So much better to have it safer that way. The mess is where we had the holes dug, where the electrical went into the conduit over here. But we'll be filling that in tomorrow probably, if it's not pouring rain. But the electric used to attach to the peak of the house there and go across the roof. But it's gone now. It's all in ground. And, yep, much better. Now you can see my house from the road, and I can see the road from my house, which is awesome. That's my snake room there. That's how long my ball pythons are. That's Stipper. He was my rescue. These cages enclosures are 48 inches long, and he extends the full length of this enclosure when he's out of his hide box. The only thing left in is the lower section, but that's how big he is. These are snakes that are out a lot. They're outdoors, they're out in the house, they get lots of activities. It makes a big difference in the size of them because they're not fat and lazy, they're muscular. Yeah, the fluorescent lights under my stacks are from my night lights, so I don't have to disturb the snakes when I come out. There's one under each stack. Plus, it helps keep the floor warm underneath the enclosures. That's why I don't set my cages on the floor, because when you do, the heat can't get up underneath the cages. So mine are all stacked on concrete blocks. There's my dancing cobra. A great friend sent me this. I love it to death. My grandchildren constantly have it going off. But yeah, I love the new futon I had put in here. Brand new. I took the trundle bed apart, and a friend of mine bought it from me. So that's going out this week. My son's on vacation this week, so we got a lot of work to get done up here. Some old sheds to take down. So yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun. He took a week's vacation just to work and get caught up around the house here on stuff that needs to be done. But I love the snake room. I'm happy with it. About time to close the curtains to block out the cool. I've got plastic up over these windows. They're new windows, but you can still feel the cold radiating through the glass. So I put heavy clear acrylic plastic up over the inside to keep the cold from radiating through the glass. It doesn't make a lot of difference, but I hate touching these cold windows. So it does make some difference. It keeps that cold from getting into the room. They don't leak air or anything, but It helps keep the cold restricted to the glass itself instead of into the room. Yes, I'm very picky. My snakes mean the world to me.